In the material world, whether it's a king or anybody, any living entity, they all have different desires at different times. Desire is very important, but desire should be followed up with acts that pleases the Supreme Lord. We please the Supreme Lord in different forms in which He appears in this world, whether it's a deity or the holy name or yajna, fire. And these different ways are authorized and revealed in the scriptures, in which all ways He is personally available for you to offer service to Him and please Him. But you have to do with faith. We have to worship Him, please Him, as prescribed by Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. Then the results will come. So focus of a devotee should always be how I can please the Lord. Even if it is for a purpose, doesn't matter.